Are you suspecting that you have an acid reflux? Then this video is for you. Acid reflux, also known as Gastroesophageal Reflux Disease, GERD, occurs when the acidic contents of the stomach flow back into the esophagus. The esophagus is the tube that connects the throat to the stomach. Normally, a circular band of muscle called the lower esophageal sphincter, LES, acts as a valve, allowing food to enter the stomach and preventing stomach acid from flowing back up into the esophagus. However, in the case of acid reflux, the LES may weaken or relax, allowing stomach acid to escape into the esophagus. There are several factors that can contribute to the development of acid reflux. These include diet. Certain foods and beverages can trigger acid reflux symptoms, such as citrus fruits, tomatoes, spicy foods, fatty foods, chocolate, caffeine, and carbonated drinks. Obesity. Excess weight can put pressure on the abdomen, pushing stomach acid up into the esophagus. Hiatal hernia. A hiatal hernia occurs when a portion of the stomach protrudes through the diaphragm, which can weaken the LES and contribute to acid reflux. Pregnancy. Hormonal changes and the growing uterus can increase pressure on the stomach, leading to acid reflux. Smoking. Smoking can weaken the LES and impair the production of saliva, which helps neutralize stomach acid. The symptoms of acid reflux can vary from person to person, but common symptoms include heartburn, a burning sensation in the chest that may radiate to the throat. It is often worsened by lying down or bending over. Regurgitation, a sour or bitter taste in the mouth caused by the backflow of stomach acid into the throat or mouth. Dysphagia, difficulty swallowing or a sensation of food getting stuck in the throat. Chest pain, chest discomfort or pain that may mimic a heart attack, although it is typically less severe. Chronic cough, a persistent cough, often worse at night, that may be caused by irritation of the throat due to acid reflux. Hoarseness or sore throat. Inflammation of the vocal cords can lead to hoarseness or a persistent sore throat. While it's important to consult with a healthcare professional for a proper diagnosis and treatment plan, there are some natural remedies that may help alleviate symptoms of acid reflux. Here are a few home remedies that may provide relief. Apple cider vinegar. Despite its acidic nature, apple cider vinegar can actually help balance stomach acid levels. Mix 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with a glass of water and drink it before meals to reduce acid reflux symptoms. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera has soothing properties that can help calm the digestive system. Drink half a cup of aloe vera juice before meals to soothe the esophagus and reduce acid reflux symptoms. Ginger. Ginger is known for its digestive properties and can help relieve acid reflux symptoms. Chew on a small piece of ginger or drink ginger tea to ease heartburn and reduce inflammation. Slippery elm. Slippery elm forms a gel-like substance when mixed with water, which can help coat and protect the esophagus. Mix 1 teaspoon of slippery elm powder with water and consume it before meals to soothe acid reflux symptoms. Baking soda. Baking soda acts as a natural antacid, neutralizing stomach acid. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda with a glass of water and drink it to relieve heartburn. However, this remedy should be used sparingly as excessive use of baking soda can lead to imbalances in the body's pH levels. Chamomile tea. Chamomile has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce acid reflux symptoms. Drink a cup of chamomile tea before bed to promote relaxation and alleviate heartburn. Marshmallow root. Marshmallow root contains mucilage, a substance that can help coat and protect the esophagus. Brew marshmallow root tea and consume it before meals to reduce acid reflux symptoms. Licorice root. Deglycyrrhizated licorice, DGL, is a form of licorice that has been processed to remove the compound responsible for increasing blood pressure. DGL can help soothe and protect the lining of the esophagus. Take DGL supplements or consume licorice tea to alleviate acid reflux symptoms. There you have it, guys. Thank you for watching and we'll see you on the next one.